everyone, in today's tutorial I want to show you how to import data from a closed workbook into the current workbook with KU Tools for Excel. The VBA code may be somewhat difficult for our Excel beginner, so here I will recommend you a handy tool, KU Tools for Excel. With its insert file at cursor feature, you can insert the whole content of a worksheet from a closed workbook quickly and easily. First, click the KU Tools Plus tab. In the Workbooks and Sheets group, click the Import and Export drop-down list and select the Insert File at Cursor feature. In the Insert File at Cursor dialog box, do the following operations. Click this button to select a cell where you want to put the imported data. Click the OK button. Next, click the Browse button to select the workbook that you want to import its data. Click on the Open button. If you check this option, only the value will be imported and the formulas won't be imported. And by checking this option, the data in the worksheet will be imported without formatting. So let's ignore both of them and click the OK button. The data in the selected worksheet has been imported into the current workbook. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more videos.